How to get XP point in DataCamp. Are you facing issues to get XP points in DataCamp? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To earn XP points in the DataCamp, first of all, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in now, to earn XP point in DataCamp. XP is rewarded as you learn, so every time you complete lessons, finish exercises, and solve practice questions, you will be rewarded with XP points. You can also gain extra XP by completing daily practice questions, skill assessments, and many more options like DataCamp often gives bonuses XP for maintaining daily practices or completing weekly goals, so staying consistent will help you level up faster. Your total XP is visible on a dashboard and profile, which helps track your progress and compare with friends or the community. That's it, guys. That's how you're gonna get XP points in DataCamp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.